How to work around domains basics in Squarespace. So to work around Squarespace built-in domains, like for example, in here is this gopi-tchc.squarespace.com, we can actually head over and register a custom domain directly through this. You can click on this get a custom domain, and in here this will open the domain settings. You can either get a domain or use a domain that you already own. If you choose this part, you can click on this and you can just input the domain name that you wish to utilize. For example, let's search in here for tutorial. Now we have in here this cloud-tutorial.com. We have this .site, .net, .education, and you can see in here their price. So if you actually want to buy this, you can proceed to do so by clicking onto this cart icon just beside them. Then after that, click on checkout. Then choosing here the domain that you wish to length for the term. It can be 1 year, 10 years, or up to 3 years. So on some cases, there's actually some discount based on this. And for this one, you can see how much you will actually pay. Click on save and continue once you are done with that. So that's how you work around the main basics in Squarespace. Hope we help.